Hi, this is Patrick Gould from Software AG Government Solutions. Bob Jeffcott and I would like to present to you this short video and show you how easily you can expose natural objects as REST APIs to your modern low-code, no-code applications or other REST API consumers. You can see the architecture of this process where we take mainframe natural objects and extract the parameter data areas into an IDL file. We then REST API enable natural objects with WebMethods EntireX and WebMethods integration server from the IDL file. Lastly, we expose the REST APIs for use by the REST API consumers on the left of the drawing. We create a natural project within EntireX, and then we start a new IDL extractor for natural. We choose NaturalRPC with impersonation in this example. NaturalRPC behind the scenes presents us with all the natural objects that could be REST API'd. We deselect them and just choose the ones that we want to create a REST API from. The process will now present us with the in and out fields that are in the parameter data area, and we map them accordingly. Once we have finished mapping all the fields as in or out, we can then finish the process and we will be presented with the IDL file inside of the EntireX perspective. We can now right-click on that IDL file in the EntireX perspective, and we can test it with the Software AG IDL tester. This provides us with a GUI where we can set up the broker ID, and we can ping it to make sure we have connectivity, and thereafter we can add the parameters that we would like to use to test if this actual service is working. Once we're happy with the testing, we can now also right-click the IDL, go to Integration Server, and generate the IS Integration Server connection. We can either create or update an existing adaptive connection. We must also make sure we make this a REST API resource. We can now choose the parameters that we want as part of this web service, REST service. And we add pieces like the connection name, the folder name, the broker ID, the server address, and then a user ID and password. We now create the REST resource and give it a folder name and the actual REST resource name. Our service within Integration Server is now ready to be tested. So we go to the service development perspective, and we can drill down and we can right-click on our service and we can run it as a service to make sure it works as we believe, and then we'll be ready to be tested from a product like SOAP UI. So we provided the parameters needed. We can now run that service from within Integration Server, and we can check that the data returned is correct. Once we are happy with that, we can move on to actual Postman, and we can call the REST service as if any other low-code, no-code application was calling it, and we can see if the results are the same. They should, of course, be so, but it's just another way to make sure that everything is working as desired. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and come back to us for more. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.